Hey, this is Austin here with another fireworks stash video. I got like $450 more. I got that one, Walk On, Dirty Dancing, and then I just decided to get two more Excaliburs. I just shot one while ago. It's the Excalibur. There's one Excalibur, other one, and another one. Got Flicker, Chopper.
I'm trying to be quiet because we're on YouTube at the moment.
I got a lot of 500s, and then I got a lot more 200s and 350s. But I got Angry Beaver. It's a pretty big one. A 10 of 200, so 10 of 200 rolls times 2. Pyro, packing pyro. A lot. The wheelie, that, I don't know what that is. I started grabbing stuff. This is my last buy. Spent $450 more. I had like 2 buggies in the store. Evil, wicked, mean, and nasty. It's a freaking huge. I can't even fit the whole thing in the camera. You want me to look at that and then look at that big one? It's huge. Yeah, but I went over what I wanted to spend. $1,600 I spent. I wanted to spend around $1,100, so got a lot more than I wanted, which is, I like that. Yeah, but there's some Excaliburs from that box. Dirty Dancing, Locked On, and then see that one, and some other one. I think one of them they gave me for buying all this. That's $40. That cake cost $40. That costed $29. That costed $18. And then one of them costed $25. So she gave me over $100 worth of fireworks. So, and I got a 16,000 roll of firecrackers by Showtime. It was the only 16,000 they had, so I had to grab it up. I'm gonna lay the camera down real quick, show you more. I got 2 Vortex. It's a fan cake. I got 2 of them. That, and then of course the 16,000 roll. Yeah, I got a lot more 200 grams, as you can see. I'm gonna count the 500 grams I have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 11, 12, 13, 18, 19, 20, 22. I got 22 500 grams. I don't feel like counting the 200 and 350 grams. That's too much. Yeah, but I got a huge Roman candle. Of course, the Angry Beaver and my Mountain Dew. I must have dropped it a while ago. So Owen, his girlfriend, FaceTiming. Yeah, this is July 3rd. That one was last trip. And my friend's supposed to bring some of his fireworks. He spent like $150, so here's the big look of it.
What was the last word of that? Oh, you put up the...
I can't believe I got 3 Excaliburs. $1,600.
Oh no, you're going to YouTube. I wouldn't talk about it too much.